Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the driver. Then this is search icon in can see right hand side. Just click on it, then enter the model number of your motherboard B760M AORUS Elite X AX and then hit enter. Click on the product. So this is your motherboard, just click on it. Then click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. So first guys download. After it I show you the installations. So audio driver, SD audio driver, and click to download. Chipset, serial driver. This is required. So many drivers. So required only two most serial driver. Click to download. And second this one, Intel management firmware. Okay. Same click to download. Slow down. LAN driver, internet driver, Ethernet driver. You can see. So this one download. So VGA driver, graphic driver, display driver, monitor driver, we can say, and click to download. Then Bluetooth driver and Wi-Fi driver. So click to download. Okay, you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. So guys, first completed that, I show you how to install. You just click on this icon where it is downloading, which location it will open. Then I show you how to show you installations process. So this is your driver, so wait for complete. So guys, it is completed. So first download all driver. First select this and right click and extract all, and same locations just extract it. Okay, it will open and close it. Okay, this created this folder, you can see. Then info update, right click, extract all, extract, and same close it. You can, then this one right click and extract all, one by one do that. Then this right click, extract all, and then extract. So one by one extract all or your driver. Otherwise you can without extract and you just double click to install. But sometime we get the issues in this last. Then it is done and close it. Then just right click to refresh it. So this is your actual driver and this is also your, but this is extracted. So guys, first open this, select, right click and run as administrator. then click on yes. So wait few seconds, this is installing. It will take some time. Okay, it will close automatically, means this is install it. Okay, it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then go to back, then second one, same, select and right click to administrator, run as administrator, and then yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Go back, then third one, just select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Because installations process very simple. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then fourth one, open, select, right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means install, and then come to back again. Then fifth one, same, select and right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then back, then second last, this one, and this is last. So open this, select, right click to run as administrator, after that click on yes. So it is closed, means this is installed. Back, and last one, graphic driver, just open it, and the same select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So this is installing driver, this is graphic card driver, display driver, monitor driver, you can say that. So it will take take some time. After install the all driver, then restart your system. Okay, restart so important for your system after install the driver. Okay, thank you.